Hello, welcome to my channel. This is general reading for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of December. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in deliberately. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of December. In this reading, I'm going to give you guys general messages and love messages. Give me general messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of December. Give me general messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of December. Capricorn, I do see that a lot of you guys, if there is a particular project that you guys have been working on, if there is a passion project that you guys have been working on, you're so all over the place with your thoughts that you're just about to drop these wands. I do see that, you have this sort of weird urge to just like give up because you're done putting efforts, and you just sort of feel that the growth in this sphere that you are like, it could be a job or whatever, but you're just like sort of feeling that the growth aspect is slow, that you're not evolving, and that no matter what you do, it's just like sort of not really giving you the kind of growth that you need. I do see that a lot of you guys are sort of feeling disconnected, and a lot of you guys are in two minds about whether you should continue or not, because you can clearly see that you may not be growing as per your expectations. Well, Capricorn, the advice for you guys is to finish what you start. Like if you've started and if you're just about to hit the finish line, well, just like get it done with. And just trust the process, that nothing ever goes to waste. Like if you started something, you have learned a few things on journey, and you should not expect instant gratification. Whatever you've done, how much hard work you've put, this will certainly everything that you put into the universe, all the hard work, all the love, every emotion, everything that you put into the universe registers it, and the universe gives it back to you in some form. So you can just relax about the whole reciprocal energy from people and your projects and everything else. Give me more love, give me more general messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. Give me more general messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. Give me general messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. I do see, Capricorn, that a lot of you have been putting like a lot of efforts into something, and now it's actually starting to give you sleepless nights. It's actually starting to give you a lot of anxiety, and maybe that's why you just feel like escaping it and running away from it. This could also be like you could be at a job, and this could be a boss. This could be some authoritative figure. This is a very specific message for someone. I see that this could be like an authoritative figure that's just like not pleasant with you, and maybe that's why you feel like quitting, or that's why you just don't feel like working in this space anymore, because you're done. Like you're mentally exerted, or you're mentally exhausted because of the kind of people that you're dealing with. Like some of you could be really if some of you are say into like a government project, then I do see that some authoritative figure is giving you some sort of bad trip, because of which you're feeling what you're feeling. If you're feeling too anxious, guys, if you feel like nothing is working in your favor, just wake up in the morning and maybe use some breathing techniques. I'm not saying that these techniques really solve the problem that you're into, but they definitely clear your mind and gives you a clear vision as to what you want to do, whether you should proceed with it or not. I will now give you guys love messages. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will give you guys love messages for the month of December. Give me love messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Love messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Could be dealing with a fire sign, could be an Aries, Sagittarius. Give me love messages. Love messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Well, Capricorn, I think your sleeplessness is like an amalgamation of your love life and your work life. I do see that both of these factors together are really really making you sleepless, making you anxious, making you think way too much. I do see that some of you are, sort of. Okay, there is this person who really wants to offer love to you, but they just see that you are escaping. Maybe you are escaping because of work reasons, but this person takes it personally. Like in your mind, you are just like all over the place, and you need a break in your life because you've had enough of whatever is happening in your workplace. But whenever this person wants to offer you love, this person feels rejected. This person feels pushed away because this person just sees you as somebody who's not interested in them, or who's sort of just like pushing them away or running away from them. Please give me more love messages for Leo, Sun, and Rising for the month of December. I'm dealing with a Leo. Give me love messages. I do see Capricorn. See, the person that you guys are dealing with definitely wants to offer you like a new beginning, or this could be some new person walking in, or this person is somebody who's had their eyes on you, and maybe this person really wants to offer you a new beginning. But at the same time, they lack courage, and they lack courage, and they lack confidence, because every time they have tried to make a move on you, or they have really tried to initiate something, they just see that you're not interested, or probably they just see like, okay, you're not really ready to give into this equation. So this person just sort of like they really want to like have a good time with you, go out for dates with you, but at the same time you give this person absolute mixed signals that this person is definitely not able to perceive as to what you exactly want. Tell me what's the intention of the person who like Capricorn Sun Rising and tell me what's the intention of the person who like Capricorn Sun Rising thinking about. The intention of this person, guys, this person is definitely, they carry love for you, they carry genuine emotions for you. This Knight of Cups, and this person wants to move towards you steadily, like, and in this moment, I do see that month of December is going to be about like a lot of communication. I do see that you guys are going to be really, really talking to each other, and, talking a lot, and this person will be very expressive. This person will express it to you that how they want to be with you, how they want to settle down with you, and how they've had a crush on you, and how that crush has really evolved into like really genuine feelings and love. So I do see that happening for the month of December. Tell me what's the blockage. What's the blockage between Capricorn Sun, Moon, and Rising and the person that they're thinking about? Capricorn, see, the blockage is that lack of passion. I see that this person just sort of feel that this equation is way too stagnant. It hasn't evolved. This person feels like their feelings have evolved for you, but your feelings are still the same. You're still like very like you never let them know that you like them, or you never show your feelings, or you never exhibit your feelings. And this person just sort of feels that this equation is going to be disharmonious, and the equation is always going to be stagnant. So maybe it's time to just add some more spice, or add some break the monotony. If this relationship if this relationship has been sustaining for a very long period of time, and if it has become monotonous, maybe it's time for you to really add some more passion to it, like spice up your sexual equation, or probably go out for more dates, or so maybe and this the problem of this equation is that it's got stagnant, it has lost its spark. So that's what you need to do for the month of December, guys. It's anyway the festive season. I think you can definitely do this. Tell me the action that this person plans on taking towards my Capricorn Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. Tell me the action that this person plans on taking. Okay, Capricorn, see, this person is clearly trying to move towards you, even though they feel unappreciated and invalidated. They never feel appreciated in this equation. But at this point in time, this person, even if they are taking a break from you, or if this person is like not in touch with you, this person is sort of gauging this equation from distance. They do want to move towards you. They are definitely planning this in their head that they would ask you out for a date, or they would talk to you, or they would have a conversation with you. But at this moment, this person is gauging it from a distance, because because all of their emotional tax did not work. So now they are sort of just trying to find like a logical solution as to how they can go about it. I'll now pull advice cards for you and your person for the month of December, guys. Give me advice for Capricorn Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. What's the advice? Capricorn, see, I'm hearing for you guys, end this pattern. Whatever pattern that you guys are carrying, which really makes you somebody who's always protecting their heart, or who's always escaping love, who's always escaping emotion. What I'm hearing right now is that let love in. If there is somebody, I read this really beautiful thing this morning that, do not pray for love, but you should always pray for an ability to recognize love when it walks in. You should always pray for an ability to really recognize that love, catch that love, and preserve it, and really nurture that love that's coming towards you. So the message for you guys for the month of December is stop being so guarded. Let love in. Let If somebody is here to love you, if somebody is really here with all the love, then just let them love you, let them in, take these walls off, they are of no use. This is for the month of December, guys. I hope it resonated. Let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next month in the Capricorn season.